Hello, this is Florian from Group 14, and the project I worked on is the student planner, whereby students can plan their courses and projects for the semester. So now let's go ahead and create a user. Say Peter. Let's choose an email. This email. Let's create a password. Okay, so let's just use any password to test whether it flags it. Okay, so the password don't match, it flags it. Let's try another one. As you can see, it shows the strength and what is needed as well. So okay, let's try logging in. Okay, so it needs an uppercase. Okay, so as you can see, it fulfills all the requirements. Okay, so now let's create an account. Okay, so now the account is created, and as you can see, it welcomes you by name. Okay, so this is the home page. That's a dashboard, right? And these are a little guide for the getting started on how to use it. So you add your courses in the course section, then create assignments and track deadlines in assignments, and set up a group project in group project sections. Okay, so you can do both. So now let's try creating a course. So add a course. Let's say Python Intermediate, and let's call it SC, maybe 211 semester. Let's make it fall 2026. Okay, learning more about Python implementation. That's the notes. Now you can change the color to whatever color you want. Then you can create course. So now the course is created. Okay. Now when we go to the dashboard, we will see that the course has been created. So we have one active course. Now we can go ahead and add assignments. So add assignment. So introduction to Python. Then under the course, you choose the course that you just created, so that you put the assignment under that course. Now let's say the due date. Let's choose a future date. Let's choose Friday. Then priority. Let's keep it at medium. Start test. Let's say in progress. Then create assignment. Okay, so let's go back to the dashboard. So as you can see here, you can delete and edit the assignment. So this is the color we chose for the background. Okay, so we have one assignment. Okay, it hasn't been completed yet, and it's not overdue. Now let's go back, and then under the same assignment, let's edit it so that the date will be, let's say, yesterday. Okay, so let's make it 17. Then click on update assignment. Let's go back to the dashboard. As you can see, it shows that it is overdue, okay, and that it has to be worked on. Okay, now you can click on review to come back here. Okay, so this is how to create a course and an assignment. Now let's create a project. So create a project. Let's say data analysis using Python. Let's say the due date is today, 18th. So create a project. Okay, so now we've created one project. When we go to the dashboard, we should see okay, so now we have a project being created here. Okay, you can view the details of the project. We can add members and we can add tasks. So we can add the email of members. Okay, this is because I've not been able to work on it yet. Then you can add task. Let's say gather data by, let's say, 19th, assigned to Kaushe, Peter Kaushe, then save. So as you can see, the task has been added. You can choose on stats. Okay, this is the status. Okay, stats, then the status will change. Okay, so basically this is how it works. It helps students keep track of their assignments so that they don't get confused and don't get lost. Okay, so you can go back here, and one can also change update his or her profile. Okay, so this is Peter. Let's add maybe Kweku to it. You can also update your password. Okay, so let's hit save. So now we have Peter Kweku Kaushe, okay, instead of Peter Kaushe. Okay, so that is it. That's how this app works. Now I can log out. Okay, and it brings me back to the sign-in page. Okay, and if you forgot your password, you can also retrieve your password. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching.